Some of you might know already that I do have a TikTok account. That's actually how I started doing all this content creation. Because I make sort of like original content, I am part of the creator program. They sort of give us like little inside information. They invite us to events and stuff. And today is one of those events. And it's actually my first time going to any TikTok event, because even though I joined the creator program in June last year, straight after I joined, I went off to Korea for like a few months. So I never really got to be involved with any of the events. That, and also, you know, the pandemic, so they weren't really holding events. But today I got invited to an event. And because this week currently is like the food festival over on TikTok. So they're sort of like wrapping this week up with like an invite only event where we're gonna be making cocktails, I think. That's what's in the email. I'm not entirely too sure, but today we should be finding out. They said in the email that I can record content for all platforms. So I'm gonna assume that also means YouTube. So that means I'm gonna make a vlog. So outfit check. Got bleached hoodie with denim jacket, denim jeans, Converse. Should be good. Sorry, what is it?
This is a raspberry ripple. So it's similar to the ice cream with the raspberry ripple inside.
This is my first drink. I wonder.
Delicious.
It's good. It tastes like ice cream.
So sweet.
What do you think, boss?
What does it taste like? It smells like bubblegum.
It's quite an orange. It's got like bubblegum, orange, white chocolate.
That was a delayed reaction.
Was there a flower on me? Was that from you?
It's got glitter in it. Wow.
I need like chopsticks or something.
You are so cute. Huh? You're so cute. I love you.